Enhanced contact credits. Further developing the functionality provided by contact credits, we have now amended the descriptions when posting, and also the resulting GL entries that are posted. In addition, we've also added new functionality for reversing contact credits and forfeiting them. From our actions against our booking, we can take our contact credit. Now we are able to supply not only a reason code, but we can also provide a description for this. Once adding in the contact credit description, you'll see when we post this, against our booking, we can see the available credit amount. In this preview, we'll be able to see the description I previously entered, along with the reason code and the amount. In addition to this functionality, now that we have added expiries, we can see here from our contact credit entries that this line now has an expiry date of the 29th of the 4th, 2026. This is configured from within your park management setup. From this view, we'll also be able to reverse our credit. We can do so using the action on the ribbon called reverse credit. This will stamp our reversal with the contact credit reason code from our setup within park management. Lastly, we can also then forfeit any contact credits that have expired. We can do this using a range of filters, including the expiry date, to be able to close down any contact credits which have expired.